Hi guys, my name is Chris. This is Natalia, Nick and Roxanne. And together we built Workwise, which is an online collaborative platform that assists companies in finding and purchasing properties together. We hope you enjoy the demo.
Hi guys, my name is Roxanne and I'm the head of Europe for TikTok. So basically we're looking for properties in London. It's really exciting, really like the team keeps growing and we basically want to find a place to work and live for the whole team. So I heard of this website called Workwise and to be honest, I've used it for like a couple of weeks now and it's really nice. So I found amazing properties that fits my criteria. I have matches and we have an amazing collaborative dashboard so that my team member can review the properties and tell me what they think about it. So let me show you right away what it looks like. Cool, so I just logged in. Now here we have all the properties in the UK. So let me show you right away what are my matches. So currently I've been looking for London properties. So here we have other properties matching my criteria, and we can even look on the map what we have here. So let me show you this property. Actually, I really like this one. So here we have all the details of the property, and if we want to have more pictures, we can click on View Property here, and we see that it's a property from on the market in that case. So nice, we have more pictures, so I really like this one, so I'm gonna add it to the dashboard. Cool, so we're not so sure where to go so far in London, so I'm just gonna look if there's some properties in Glasgow right now. Unfortunately, there's not. There is not, but there is an amazing functionality on the website, which if I go to my search preference, I can add the postcode of my city and basically they will find new properties for me. So let's try it out. So if I put a postcode from Glasgow, 227D, and I submit. Okay, I tried it once already and it took around like 15 seconds. So in the meantime, let me talk to you about my colleague Nick. Nick actually is a new one at TikTok. And I put him in charge of reviewing all the properties and tell me what he thinks about it. And he's also gonna contact one of the landlords. So basically, he will do the job for me. So cool. Now, property is important. So let's now find the new property that we have in Glasgow. Amazing. So now we have some new flats. And let me see this house here. And if we view the property, this one is from Rightmove. So great, we have a lot of choices here. So I'm just gonna add this one to the dashboard again. And of course, I'm gonna review my favorite one, which will be this one here. So my favorite here. Cool. So I'm just gonna write to Nick because you know he could forget to review to call the landlord. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna give him a message. And before I go, because I'm really busy, I need to approve a few of the team members because I keep repeating it, but we're expanding and stuff. So I'm just gonna approve Lucian and Sarah right here. They contribute a lot to TikTok, to be honest. So, and what is that? This is Paris Hilton. Definitely not this one, so I'm just gonna reject it. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have to go, guys. So I'm just gonna log out and that's it. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, I'm Nick. I have just graduated from the Wagon and I've landed my dream job at TikTok. So I've been asked by my boss to go through Workwise, which is apparently the best platform to collaboratively find work-live spaces. So let's go through it, let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is the landing page. I think it looks really slick. Collaboratively choose your workplace, love it. Okay, refine your search as a team, discover unique spaces fit for you. Okay, yeah, this looks really good. I believe it's legit. Okay, so I will just get started. Okay, let's. Sweet. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is ask to join an organization. So I'll just click here because I'm part of TikTok. And then a member of my team will eventually approve me. And apparently I've been approved. Great. So this looks brilliant. So these are all the properties that I've got to look through. As you can see, we're doing really well at TikTok. I really like the look of this one. It looks brilliant. This one I would have to say is my favorite. So I'm going to move that across to ready to contact. I also like the look of this one as well. So let's see if that goes. Great. So I've got a few that are ready to contact. So that's my job now. Even though I'm a software developer, I need to contact these people. Let's also see if there's any messages from the team. Okay, so great. Nick, can you contact the landlord of the property we discussed earlier? Yes, of course. Consider it done. Smiley face. There we go. So what I need to do now is just view the pages for these individual properties. Okay, this looks great. As you can see, I've already commented on it. And so we've got a description, we've got a bit about what the place offers, and we've got the property owner here. And we've actually got a map as well at the bottom so you can see where it is. Great, so that's pretty much everything. I've got a call to make, or I've got a few calls to make, guys, so thank you for watching, and check out Workwise.